Well, well, well. Is that my friend Fat Thief trying to sneak into Miss Lila's house again?
Ella?
Just how long have you been waiting here for me to approach you?
I didn't know you were there!
Relax, I'm only playing. I figured you didn't even notice. By the way, I got my stethoscope ready.
What are you gonna hear? A heartbeat?
No, I'm just gonna hear and feel your guts again. Although, it's pretty unfair to tease a friend like this.
You know what? Go on. Lay it on me.
You mean it?
Yeah, if you hurry. I can't stay in one place for...
Ha!
Whoa! Hey, that tickles!